Hello everyone, featured in this video is our 1966 Ford Mustang. It is a beautiful jade green. You can see those wonderful chrome rims there. And this thing sounds amazing, but we'll get to that later into the video. Just want to take you guys a little walk around, show you the outside features of this car in the sunlight. I don't know if you have seen our pictures of this car. That is on skywayclassics.com. You can take a peek inside here. It has that red interior. Zoom up on the emblem here. This thing is absolutely gorgeous. So this video will feature an inside shot, an engine bay shot, and underneath, and even a driving ride along. So let's go ahead and dive into the interior. Let's go ahead and open it up and look inside and see this red just come right out at you. This beautiful wood steering wheel. Some red flame accented carpets there. And the back seat does have Kenwood speakers there, as well as one on the passenger side as well. It's the Kenwood head unit. No AC in this car. And the dashboard here. Everything works as it should. Show you the headliner. In great condition. Seats don't have any tears. Dash not aged at all. We'll go ahead and fire this old girl up, take you guys along for a little bit. Position in the middle of the road. Let's go ahead and start it up. Right away fires. Let's go ahead and put it in drive. Power steering in this. You can hear those beautiful exhaust notes. She does get up and go. But the steering is very, very responsive. And the brakes, she does stop. So let's go ahead. I'll go ahead and take us to this section of the video where I'll have the engine bay up and the engine running so you guys can hear it. Car's already running. Let's go ahead and take a look underneath the hood. Take you around back, see how good it purrs. So we'll go ahead and throw this thing up on the lift and let you guys see what the underside looks like. Alright, in the final last segment of our video, we're going to look at the underneath. I'll go ahead and show you just how clean everything is under here. You can see underneath the oil pan, all the steering, not a single leak. And then the trans, the cooler there and everything. And then as we make our way to the back, the floors, and then those mufflers, the Flowmasters there. No tips, just hang down like that. And then we have the rear axle. Go ahead and pan back to the front. Let's go ahead and take a look underneath the doors and stuff. This is the driver's side right here. So go ahead and make our way slowly underneath this section. And we'll go ahead and make our way over to the passenger side, so you guys can see that side as well. Also in great condition, no rust, no chewing. chrome's in immaculate condition, no pitting whatsoever. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said at the beginning, you can find this car on our website, skywayclassics.com. Thanks for watching.